Hello student, I am Dr. S.L. Munde, Assistant Professor and NSS Program Officer, Department of Mathematics 3, RLT College of Science, Akola. Dear student, in a previous lecture we have seen theorems on a assignment problem. So in this lecture we will see some examples on a assignment problem. So we will see the first problem, which is given as solve the following minimal assignment problem and given as job 1 2 3 4. There are 4 job and 1 2 3 4. So these are the groups of the man. ठीक आहे, या ठिकाणी 4 ग्रुप दिलेले आहे जॉबचे आणि 4 ग्रुप्स दिलेले आहे पर्सनचे. ओके, सो फर्स्ट जॉब, that is 12%, 30%, 21%, 15%. Second job 18%, 33%, 9%, 31%. Third job 44%, 25%, 24%, 21%, and fourth job 23%, 30%, 28%, 14%. Okay, so here we have to find out the minimal assignment of each job for the person. Okay, that means here we have to find out the assignment of the job to the person. Okay, so which job got which person? Okay, which groups of the person? Okay, so we will see the solution. The given assignment problem is, so that is 1 2 3 4 jobs are 1 2 3 4, 12 30 21 14 18 33 9 31 44 25 24 21 23 30 28 14. Okay, so this is the given assignment problem and this is the minimal assignment problems. Okay, so what is the first step? So here we have to check the given problem is balanced or unbalanced type. Okay, so how will you check the given problem is balanced type? If the number of rows equal to the number of column, then we can say that is m equal to n. M is number of rows and n is number of column. If the number of rows equal to the number of column, then we can say that given problem is a balanced type. Okay, so here is the number of rows is 4 and number of column is 4. So that means we can say that the given problem is balanced type problem. Okay, so this is the given problem is a balanced type problem. Now what is next step? Now we have to make the assignment. So for that we have to make the 0 to each rows and column. ओके, या ठिकाणी आपल्याला प्रत्येक रो मध्ये आणि प्रत्येक कॉलम मध्ये कमीत कमी एक 0 तयार करायचा आपल्याला. ओके, so how will you make that 0? By taking row operation first, then we will take the column operation. Okay, thus first we will take the row operation. तर पहिल्या रो मधून जो स्मॉलेस्ट एलिमेंट असेल, ओके, पहिल्या रो मधून जो स्मॉलेस्ट एलिमेंट असेल तो स्मॉलेस्ट एलिमेंट पहिल्या रो मधून सबट्रॅक्ट करणे. ठीक आहे, या ठिकाणी 12 एलिमेंट आहे स्मॉलेस्ट एलिमेंट, सो देअरफॉर वी विल सबट्रॅक्ट दिस 12 फ्रॉम दिस रो. तर या ठिकाणी 0 राहणार आहे, या ठिकाणी 18, या ठिकाणी 9, या ठिकाणी 3. ओके, सो हिअर वी विल गेट द 0. ओके, सेकंड कॉलम सेकंड रो मध्ये जो स्मॉलेस्ट एलिमेंट असेल तो या पूर्ण एलिमेंट मधून आपल्याला सबट्रॅक्ट करायचा. That is a 9. So therefore we will subtract this 9 from this second row. Okay, so here we will becomes only 9, 24, 0, and this is 22. Okay, third row there is a 21 is the smallest number, so therefore we will subtract this 21 from this row. Okay, so here is we will remaining 23, 4, 3, and 0, and last row here is the 14 is the smallest element, so therefore we will subtract from this element. So we will get 9, 16, 14, 0. Okay, now we have to check in each row a 0 is present. Yes, in first row 0 is present, second row is 0 is present, third row and fourth row. That means we can say that here we can make the zero assignment in each row. Okay, but also we have to make the zero assignment in column. So for that we have to check 0 in each row or column. So first column there is a 0, second column there is not a 0, third column there is 0, and fourth column there is a 0. Okay, so only here second column there is not a 0. So here we have to make the 0. Okay, so here smallest element is 4, so therefore we will subtract smallest element from this element. So we will get here 14, 20, 0 and 12. Okay, so here we will get the 0 in this column. Okay, so if you observe each row and each column, you will get the 0, minimum 1 0. Okay, तर या ठिकाणी कॉलम मध्ये आणि रो मध्ये तुम्हाला कमीत कमी एक 0 आलेला असं दिसणार आहे. ओके, अशी कंडिशन जर आली तर तुम्हाला या ठिकाणी 0 असाइनमेंट तुम्ही करू शकता. ओके, सो if you got each and every column 0, then you can make 0 assignment. Okay, now we are ready to make the 0 assignment. Okay, so now we will make the 0 assignment row wise. Okay, so first we will take the first row. So there is a 1 0 at a cell 1 1, so therefore we can make here 0 assignment by making the box. ठीक आहे, पहिल्या रो मध्ये ज्या ठिकाणी 0 असेल त्या ठिकाणी आपण 0 असाइनमेंट करणार. 0 असाइनमेंट करणे म्हणजे त्याला असं स्क्वेअर बॉक्स मध्ये. ओके, रो if you taking row operation then cross the column. ज्या वेळेस तुम्ही रो ऑपरेशन घेत असाल त्या ठिकाणी तुम्हाला कॉलम क्रॉस करायचा असाइनमेंट झाल्यानंतर. ठीक आहे, सेकंड रो मध्ये second row there is a 0 at a cell 3 3. Okay, so therefore we can make here 0 assignment and cross that column. Okay, third row there is a 2 0, so therefore we cannot make the 0 assignment. या ठिकाणी 2 0 असल्यामुळे या ठिकाणी आपण 0 असाइनमेंट करू शकणार नाही. ठीक आहे, 0 असाइनमेंट करण्यासाठी आपल्याला कमीत कमी एक 0 रो मध्ये असायला पाहिजे. ठीक आहे, so therefore we cannot make 0 assignment in third row, but we can make the 0 assignment at a fourth row. Okay, so therefore we can make here a box for the 0 assignment and cross the column. Okay, so here we make the 0 assignment in each row. Okay, but also we have to make 0 assignment in each column. आता या ठिकाणी आपल्याला प्रत्येक रो मध्ये 0 असाइनमेंट आपण केलेला आहे, बरोबर, परंतु थर्ड रो मध्ये आपण 0 असाइनमेंट केलेला नाही कारण की त्या ठिकाणी 2 0 असल्यामुळे आपण 0 असाइनमेंट करू शकलो नाही. ठीक आहे, आता प्रत्येक कॉलम मध्ये आपल्याला 0 असाइनमेंट करायचं आहे. ठीक आहे, तर पहिल्या कॉलम मध्ये जे 0 असाइनमेंट तुम्ही ऑलरेडी केलेलं आहे त्याच्यामुळे तो पहिला कॉलम आपण स्किप करणार आहे. सेकंड कॉलम मध्ये देयर इज ओनली 1 0. ठीक आहे, हा 0 आहे, सो देअरफॉर वी कॅन मेक हिअर 0 असाइनमेंट. सो देअर we can make here 0 assignment. Okay, कॉलम ऑपरेशन घेत असताना त्या ठिकाणी तुम्हाला रो या ठिकाणी क्रॉस करायचा आहे. थर्ड कॉलम मध्ये ऑलरेडी 0 असाइन झालेला आहे. ओके, आणि फोर्थ कॉलम मध्ये सुद्धा पण 0 असाइनमेंट झालेला आहे. ओके, सो इफ यू ऑब्झर्व इन इच रो अँड इन इच कॉलम देर इज अ 0 असाइनमेंट. ठीक आहे, प्रत्येक रो मध्ये आणि प्रत्येक कॉलम मध्ये 0 असाइनमेंट या ठिकाणी झालेला आहे. ठीक आहे, ओके, नाउ वी विल चेक द नंबर ऑफ लाइन्स that is 4 and number of order of matrix that is 4. So therefore we can say that capital N equal to small n. Okay, so this condition is satisfied. Okay, so therefore we can find out the minimum assignment, optimal solution of the minimal assignment problem. Okay, so since in above table each row and each column have one assignment, so we get optimal 0 assignment. So thus we get the following assignment. Okay, so therefore find out the assignment of this table. Okay, so first job assigned to first group, first job assigned to first group, and the number of person is 12. Number of person is 12. If you go to original problem, original problem, so first job assigned to first group and number of person is 12. Okay, so therefore first assignment is first job assigned to first group, and that is the number of person is 12. Second job assigned to third group, third column. Second job assigned to third column. Okay, that is third group, and the number of person is 9. If you see the original table, so second job assigned to third column and number of person is 9. Number of person is 9. Then third group assigned to second column. Third group assigned to second group of the person, and number of persons are, that is 25. Fourth job assigned to fourth group, and number of person is 14. Okay, so this is the assignment of the group job to each group, and the number of persons are given in this way. Okay, now we will find out the optimal assignment is minimum set is 12 plus 9 plus 25 plus 14, that is 60. Okay, so there are 60 person assigned 4 job, number 1, 2, 3, and these are the number of groups of the person, and number of person is set. Okay, so this is the first problem on a minimal assignment problem. Now we will see the second problem. What is the second problem? Solve the following assignment problem. So there are 5 jobs to be assigned, one each to 3 machines, and the associated cost matrix is as follows. Okay, so there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 jobs and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups of the person. Okay, so given problem is a minimal assignment problem. Okay, okay. Already the given problem is in the form of minimal assignment problem. Okay, so what is the first step? So you have to check the given problem is balanced or unbalanced. If you check the number of rows equal to number of column are equal, so therefore this problem is a balanced type problem. So what is the first step? Second step, so take the smallest element from each row and subtract that smallest element from each row. So here 8 is the smallest element, so subtract this 8 from this row, so you will get 3, 9, 0, 8, 12. In second row there is a 6 is the smallest element, so subtracting from this row we will get 3, 1, 6, 0, 9. Third, there is a 12 is the smallest number, so subtracting from each element we will get 1, 4, 3, 0, 4. Next is a 17 is the smallest element, so subtracting from each element we will get 4, 8, 0, 11, 9. And similarly in last row there is a 10 is the smallest element, so subtracting from each row we will get 4, 0, 2, 1, 0. So this is called as the row operation. Now we make the column operation. Okay, why we are taking column operation? Because we want each row and each column at least 1 0. Okay, so if you observe there is a 1 0 in each row but not 0 in some column. Okay, so therefore we are going to take column operation. Okay, so in first column 1 is the smallest element, so subtracting from each element we will get 2, 2, 0, 3. In second column there is a already 0 assigned, so that means we can take the 0 is the smallest number, and there is no change in second column. Third column there is a 0, so therefore we can skip that. Fourth column there is already 0, and last 5 columns there is not 0, so select smallest element, that is 4, and subtract from each element we will get 8, 5, 0, 4, 1. Okay, so now if you observe in each row and in each column there is at least 1 0. Okay, there is at least 1 0. That means you are ready to make the 0 assignment in each row and in each column. Okay, now we will make the zero assignment in each row and in each column. First we go to row wise assignment, zero assignment. Okay, so select first row. Okay, so select first row and select the 0 and make the 0 assignment. Okay, so in first row there is only one 0, therefore we can make the 0 assignment by making the box and cross the column. So okay, so this is the first assignment. Second row there is a 0. Okay, so therefore we can make box and cross the column. Then third row there are 2 0 3 0, so therefore we cannot make the 0 assignment, so therefore we can skip third row. Then fourth row there is only one 0, so therefore we can make here 0 assignment. Okay, so where is the fourth row? 1 to D. Okay, actually in this row already make, in this column already we have make the 0 assignment, so therefore we cannot make here 0 assignment, so cross this 0. Okay, जर कॉलम मध्ये जर 0 असाइनमेंट झालेला असेल तर त्या कॉलम मध्ये जे काही 0 असतील ते क्रॉस करायचे तुम्हाला. ठीक आहे. row number E, so there is only one 0. Okay, so therefore we can make here 0 assignment and cross the column. Okay, so in this way we make the 3 row 3 0 in 3 rows. Now we will make the 0 assignment in each column. Okay, so take the first column, so there is a 1 0. So now we will make the 0 assignment column for the column. So in first column here is a 0, so therefore we can make 0 assignment and cross the row. Second column there is already assigned 0. In third column there is also already assigned 0. In fourth column already assigned 0. In fifth column there is no 0. In fifth column there is no 0. Okay, so therefore we have to make the 0 assignment in fifth column. Okay, so now we have to check the number of lines. N equal to capital 4, capital N equal to 4. Now order of matrix, that is 5. That means this condition capital N is not equal to N. So this condition is not satisfied. Okay, so we have to make the condition N equal to capital N. So we go to next step. Okay, so what is the next step? We will add where is a number is cross. ठीक आहे, पुढच्या स्टेप मध्ये आपण काय करणार आहे, ज्या ठिकाणी लाईन डबल क्रॉस असेल त्या ठिकाणी जो स्मॉलेस्ट एलिमेंट असेल. ओके, सो इन नेक्स्ट स्टेप वी विल सिलेक्ट द स्मॉलेस्ट एलिमेंट फ्रॉम द रिमेनिंग एलिमेंट. ठीक आहे, so that is 1 is the smallest element from the remaining element, so that smallest element we will add where the lines is double cross. We will subtract where the line is not cross. Okay, and the other elements as it is where the line is single cross. ठीक आहे, या ठिकाणी तुम्हाला जो स्मॉलेस्ट एलिमेंट असेल रिमेनिंग एलिमेंट मधून तुम्हाला स्मॉलेस्ट एलिमेंट निवडायचा आहे, म्हणजे 1 राहणार. हा 1 ज्या ठिकाणी लाईन डबल क्रॉस झालेली आहे त्या ठिकाणी तो ऍड करायचा आहे, आणि ज्या ठिकाणी लाईन क्रॉस झालेली नाही म्हणजे सिंगल एलिमेंट 5 8 5 या राहिलेल्या एलिमेंट मधून तो तुम्हाला सबट्रॅक्ट करायचा आहे. आणि ज्या ठिकाणी लाईन सिंगल क्रॉस आहे, ज्या एलिमेंटला सिंगल क्रॉस केला म्हणजे 9 0 8 2 1 या एलिमेंट मध्ये तो ऍडही करायचा नाही आणि तुम्हाला सबट्रॅक्ट पण सुद्धा करायचा नाही. ठीक आहे. ओके, so what is the next step? So select smallest element from the remaining element, add where the line is double cross, subtract where is line is not cross, and where is the line is single cross, so that element should be remain as it is. ठीक आहे, तर या ठिकाणी आपण हा 1 हा स्मॉलेस्ट एलिमेंट आहे, हा सबट्रॅक्ट करणार राहिलेल्या एलिमेंट मधून इथे राहणारा 1 9. This element is as it is, this element is as it is because this is a single cross line. 7 1 1 6 0 4 0 इथं डबल लाईन क्रॉस झालेली आहे, इथं म्हणजे 5. ओके, दॅट इज 5. इथं डबल लाईन क्रॉस आहे, दॅट इज 4. इथं डबल लाईन क्रॉस आहे, दॅट इज 1, and this is 0 2 8 0 11 4 2 0 2 1 0. ओके, अशा प्रकारे तुम्हाला या ठिकाणी नेक्स्ट स्टेप यूज करायचे. Okay, now we will make the zero assignment in each row. Okay, so select first row, there is only one zero, so we can make zero assignment and cross the column. Second row, there is a zero, so therefore we can make zero assignment and cross the column. In third row, there are the two zeros, so therefore we skip this row number 3. In fourth row, there is a no zero in fourth row, so therefore we skip that. In fifth row, there is a 1 0. Sorry, there are also 2 0, so therefore we cannot make here zero assignment. Okay. Then go to column wise. So in first column there is a 1 0, so therefore we can make here zero assignment and cross the row. In second column there is a 0, so therefore we can make here zero assignment and cross the column. In third column there is already 0 assigned, so therefore we will skip. In fourth column there is already assigned 0. In fifth column there is no 0 assignment. So again here capital N is a 4 and small n is a 5. That means here the condition is not satisfied. So again here we have to select the smallest element from the remaining element and add where line is a double cross, and subtract from the remaining element and where line is single cross, and that element should be the remain as it is. ठीक आहे. पुन्हा आपल्याला प्रिव्हियस स्टेप्स या ठिकाणी रिपीट करावे लागणार आहे. ओके, सो सिलेक्ट स्मॉलेस्ट एलिमेंट दॅट इज 1. हा जो 1 आहे हा राहिलेल्या एलिमेंट मधून तुम्हाला सबट्रॅक्ट करायचा आहे. ठीक आहे, तर या ठिकाणी राहणार आहे 0 8 0 8 6 0 0 6 0 3 0 5 या ठिकाणी 5 4 plus 1 5 1 plus 1 2 0 1 7 0 11 3 2 0 या ठिकाणी 2 plus 1 that is 3 1 plus 1 that is 2 0. Okay, so in this way we will get this table. Okay, so here we can make the zero assignment. So take first row, so here is a 0, so here we can make the zero assignment cross the column. In second row there are 2 zeros, so therefore we can skip this column row. In third row there are there is only 1 0, there are 2 0, but this 0 is crossed, so therefore we can make here zero assignment and cross the column. In number fourth row there is only 1 0 and cross the column. Number row E, there are 2 zeros, so therefore we cannot make the zero assignment. Then go to column wise. So in first column there is already 0 assigned, so therefore we can skip. In second column there are 2 zeros, so therefore we can skip this. In third column there is already assigned 0. In fourth column there is only 1 0, so therefore we can cross second row. Okay, so we can make here zero assignment. In fifth column there is already assigned 0. Okay, so here number of line is 4 and order of matrix is 4. Okay, 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, so but in second column there is no assignment. Okay, so here we have to select again smallest element, that will be the 0. Okay, so if you add and subtract 0 there will be no change. Okay, so again you will come to these steps. Okay, पुन्हा तुम्ही या स्टेप वरती येणार आहे. ठीक आहे, पुन्हा मग तुम्हाला रो वाइज कॉलम वाइज असं कमीत कमी एक स्मॉलेस्ट एलिमेंट कमीत कमी एक 0 निवडायचा आणि तुम्हाला असाइनमेंट करायचा. पुन्हा तुम्ही या स्टेपला येणार आहे. ओके, so finally you will get this table. Okay, so here number of line is 4 and number of small line is capital 4. Okay, but we have number of line 5, but we want number of 5 lines, and number of order of matrix is 5 by 5, and the number of assignment should be the 5. ठीक है, so so here is a 5 and here is a 5. Okay, so here assignment of the job A. Job A assigned first group and number of person is 11. Second job assigned to fourth group and number of person is 6. Third job assigned to fifth group and number of person is 16. D group assigned to third group and number of person is 17. And job E assigned to second group and number of person is 10. Okay, so these are the number of person you can find in a original table. Okay, okay, हे जे ओरिजिनल टेबल मध्ये तुम्हाला या ठिकाणी तुम्हाला हे पर्सन्स मिळणार आहेत. So therefore optimal assignment is minimum z is 60. The addition of these all the person, that is 60. Okay, so this is the second example of assignment problem. Okay, so today we have seen some examples on assignment problem. Okay, so in next lecture we will see another example on assignment problem.